Guys, and welcome back to my channel. So this video is going to be on a mini, and when I say mini, I truly mean it, transformation I did last week. So just to warn you, now when I was actually filming the video doing my hair, lighting is not good, the setup is not that great, but I love to document everything I do for my hair, and I just decided to film this randomly at 11 o'clock at night, and so here it is. I've done so much of my hair in the last year. I damaged it a lot, I colored it a lot, I bleached it, you know, I did pretty much everything. And recently I've been dyeing my hair this darker color, which I love. It's just a like dark warm brown, which I used to color my hair like that before. And if you want to see a whole video on how I dye my roots and how I cover 100% of my gray hair, definitely let me know, because I found like the best recipe, I guess, to finally be able to cover all my gray hair. It was definitely a lot of trial and error, so let me know if you want to see that video. But basically what was I want to say? Yeah, basically I kind of like this color. I kind of miss my brown hair, but now like my hair is quite short, and so I just don't see myself going back to brown. But with having short hair, I just wouldn't really feel truly like myself. And also the thing is, I've done all of this to my hair, but I've never obtain that perfect light blonde that I wanted. And so I'm kind of conflicted. I'm like, okay, do I try to go lighter, not by bleaching my hair, but by faking it with hair extensions, or do I go a little darker, maybe with like golden highlights? I really like that look, so I kind of don't know. Now I do know that I want to get tape-in extensions, so when I do get those, I will do a full video, don't you worry. Right now I'm wearing clip-ins. I've been wearing clip-ins from Irresistible Me for the last 6-7 months. I really like them. I've bleached them, which you're not really supposed to bleach hair extensions, but I've done it and they held up really well. I've colored them, all of that. So if you want to see how, like my original video on how I color my extensions to match my hair, I'll post that down below. So yeah, I would definitely recommend these. I have the Royal Remy set in honey blonde, but as I said, I custom colored my extensions to match my hair. So basically, for this video, first of all, I needed to tone my hair, because the last time I toned my hair was in March, and so it's been a while. My hair was turning very yellow. Now I do love warm hair, but it was just a little brassy. It looked nice when it was curled, but if, let's say, I was just washing my hair and letting it air dry, I feel like it just looked too yellow. So I wanted to tone my hair, and I was like, you know what, let me bleach my hair extensions one more time. Now I knew this was going to dry out the hair a lot, but I kind of just wanted to get an idea of what it would look like with lighter pieces. So you can definitely fake a hair color by just using hair extensions. You just have to do it right. You know, my extensions right now don't blend perfectly with my hair, because I feel like the extensions are too light at the top to match like my darker hair here, and so ignore that. But I just wanted to see what it would look like, and now that I see it, I'm like, you know what, I really like this look today, you know, with the red and stuff, but I feel like I'm ready to go a little darker with my hair. Maybe in a few years, you know, I will try to get that nice light blonde that I wanted, but I think it's time for me to go darker. So I will do that maybe in the next month or so. As I said, I will be getting tape-in extensions. If you have any to recommend, let me know. I'm still looking. So yeah, anyways, let's get started with the video. But first, if you're interested, on my lips I have Russian Red from MAC, and then my cute little dress. It's actually like you're supposed to wear the shoulders like that, but I wanted you to focus on the hair, so it's from Princess Polly. I also have a coupon code, it's CZ20 if you're interested, for 20% off. And then I have this cute little clip. I was feeling super retro today. This clip is actually from C&D Imports, which is my parents' online boutique. There's a hair, which by the way, I want to thank everybody who placed an order on C&D Imports. So if you watch one of my previous videos on at-home microdermabrasion, I talked about this microdermabrasion device that we actually sell on C&D Imports, and some of you placed an order. So I just want to say thank you to everybody. But yeah, definitely let me know when you receive it, how you like it. I really cannot wait to hear your thoughts. Now there's also a bunch of different shapes to choose from, but you can use the code Chloe10 for 10% off, so I'll leave the link as well. Okay, so now let's get started with the video. So the first thing I did was bleach my extensions. So I wasn't too precise. I just wanted to lighten the ends a little bit. I kind of wanted to do balayage at first, but I was very generous with the bleach, and so it pretty much turned like in an ombre kind of thing because I wanted to keep the roots a little dark. So I use Matrix Master Light. I can't remember the name of the bleach, but you'll see in the video. And I use 20 volume. Now the bleach consistency I like is a bit more liquidy. I just feel like it's much easier to apply to the hair. So I just use a bit more developer than bleach. So I find that works pretty well. And so yeah, I just pretty much bleached all the ends of the hair. Now it lined pretty quickly, I want to say, but I did put everything in foil. It's better to keep the hair in foil just to keep the heat so the bleach doesn't dry out. I want to say I left the hair in the foil for at least 45 minutes. I checked up on it and it was fine. Now it was time to tone my hair. Now, as I said before, it's been like a while since I've toned my hair, and so it was definitely a little brassy, and so I needed to do it. So I'm sorry this is gonna be super vlog style, but I really wanted to show you kind of how I tone my hair, how I kind of do my hair. So I just did my roots, which I did not film. I can do like a whole video on that if you're interested. In my hair, before I did my roots, I applied some oil all over my hair because I wanted to protect my hair in case any of that dye would go on my hair, and also I just want to make sure like my hair is kind of protected a little bit before putting in my toner. So this oil is like pure argan oil, but it wasn't a PR package from Garnier, and so I think this was just like a added on product. You know, I don't think they actually sell this. It says like 100% pure and natural cold pressed organic argan oil, so I don't know, but I put this all over my hair. Now what I'll do is I'll go in the shower, I'm gonna rinse that, and then I'm gonna apply my toner on wet hair. So I'm gonna mix my colors right now. So I'm gonna use two different ones. I'm gonna use this one from Wella. I pretty much always use the Color Touch line. Really like this sort of line for my toners. This is number 916, which is a very light blonde. So I'm just gonna use maybe like half an ounce of that. Now this color I've never used before. Now I'm also bleaching my extensions right now, which you've seen or you're about to see, I don't know. And so my extensions are going to be just a tiny bit lighter. I'm kind of bleaching to give sort of like a balayage effect, and so for that I bought a lighter color. I bought 10/81. This is the lightest blonde pearl ash. Now I'm afraid this is going to be like super ashy, so what I'll do to make sure like this matches the rest, I will add a tiny bit of that in my mix. For that, when you use a demi permanent color, you have to do 2 parts developer, 1 part color. Now I hate that these bottles don't have any measurements on the side. Like, it would be so helpful. So I'm just gonna eyeball it as I always do, and so here we go. Okay, so this is what it looks like. So I'm just gonna go in the shower. I'm gonna leave this on. Now my mistake, I think previously when I've been doing my hair, I would just leave the toner on for way too long, and I think with because I'm used with permanent color, even if I leave it on for a little too long, it's just gonna burn my scalp a little bit, but it's not gonna make the color turn a little different. But with this and blonde hair, like a toner and blonde hair, you just have to be really careful. Don't leave your toner on for too long because it's just gonna make your hair darker. And if you use any colors with like ash in it, it's just gonna turn like some funky colors. Like, these colors are not green based, they're purple based. So the girls helping me pick out the colors told me it should not turn green, but I'm just gonna make sure I really don't leave it on for too long. And then this is new. I'm gonna be using this for the first time, which I'm so excited. It's the Total Results from Matrix Keep Me Vivid. Now you apply this all over your hair, like in the shower, right after you've rinsed out the color. Before shampoo, you just spray this all over, and it's supposed to make your color, like, it's something to do with the pH. It says, or acidic pH 4 to 5, Keep Me Vivid color lamination helps seal the color within the hair for ultra nourish high reflect color. So I'm super excited because my colors always fade really quickly, and so this is gonna be great. I'm gonna try that out, and then I'm gonna wash my hair with this. This is such a great shampoo. You need to have extremely dry hair to use this though. It even made my hair a little greasy, which is good because my hair never gets greasy. So it's the All Soft by Redken. And then for mask, I'm gonna use the Shu Uemura Ultimate Remedy. So I'm gonna rinse this, I'm gonna apply this 10 minutes. Then I'm gonna do this for 1 minute, and then I'm gonna rinse. And actually, do I have to rinse? It says right after color, spray from roots to ends, leave on for 1 minute, rinse. Yeah, and then I'm gonna wash my hair. So now, after my shower, I went back to my extensions, and I actually had so much color left, and so I didn't have to remix any color. I just used that to tone my extensions. Now, I thought my extensions were gonna turn a little cooler because the 10 color that I used was supposed to be like a pearly ashy color. So I really thought I was gonna have, you know, ashy kind of blondish hair, which personally I do like warm hair. So I didn't want it to be too ashy, but I thought it was gonna turn a little ashier than it is. Now, I personally really like the color. I feel like it's a very pretty kind of light goldeny color. Also, I do like that, you know, my hair was pretty much one-dimensional, which I don't really love, but it is what it is. And my extensions were also pretty one-dimensional. Now, the extensions are still kind of one-dimensional, but since they're lighter than my own hair, I feel like it adds some nice dimension, and I think it looks a lot nicer. So I do like that. Now, my hair, their extensions, kind of looking a little dry right now. My hair was actually doing a lot better recently, but you know, I toned it. I only left the toner on for 10 minutes, and it definitely dried out my hair. So yeah, and then the extensions of course are a little dry because I bleached them twice, which you're not supposed to do, but they still look pretty good. And so yeah, I mean, I am happy with the color, but I'm like, you know what, I think it's time for me to go back to a little darker hair. As I said, I kind of want darker hair with maybe like some golden highlights. I think that could be nice. Okay, so I was editing the video, I'm also in my PJs, and I realized that I didn't give you a proper look at how the color turned out on my own hair. So I feel like right now in this lighting, my hair actually looks kind of dark. To me, this is not really blonde, but technically, you know, I don't know. I feel like every time I tone my hair, that's why I don't tone my hair often. I feel like it always turns darker, even though I only left the toner in for 10 minutes. And so this is how it turned out. I don't really know. I think if I stay blonde, you know, I mean, if this is blonde, I will definitely add some gold in my hair color when I dye my hair, because I feel like, yeah, I feel like it looks a little dull. I don't know. Okay, so this is the hair extensions. You better look at them. As you can see, the ends are really light and nice. I really like the way the toner actually showed up on the hair. And I use the same toner on my hair, and this, of course, my hair is darker, but I really like the way the color turned out on the hair. And so yeah, as you can see, like, you can definitely add some highlights in your hair, like fake a hair color with just extensions. So this is it. But yeah, now I just want to talk about the hair products that I mentioned in the video. So first, let's talk about the Matrix Total Results Keep Me Vivid. Now, I am so excited to see how this works. Now, this is supposed to keep your color from fading. Now, even I use permanent color for my roots because my color just fades really easily, especially since I color over gray hair. Gray hair is extremely stubborn, and it's really hard to cover. Usually when my hair starts fading, like my color, I see my little gray hairs popping through, and I don't like that. So hopefully with this, it'll keep my color on, and I won't have to kind of go a little over, like, because every time I do my roots, I try to just stay on, you know, my fresh roots kind of. I try not to overlap, but also sometimes I just see too much of the gray, and so hopefully this will help me out a lot. I will keep you posted. So yeah, I'm excited to see how this works in the long run. And then this shampoo, okay? Now, before I tone my hair was feeling so much better because I just started using this. It's from Redken. It's the All Soft Mega. They also have a All Soft, but this is the Mega. So this is the super hydrating one. Now, it has a protein complex in it. Now, this is for extremely dry hair. And this works really, really well. So I will continue to use it. Hopefully, I haven't washed my hair since I colored it. So hopefully next time I wash my hair, it will feel a lot better. Yeah, this is a really great shampoo. really like it so far. If your hair is slightly oily, stay away from this because it even made my hair a little oily, which I'm not mad. So now I also got this recently. I purchased these with my own money, by the way. I got these at Eleganza in Gatineau. It's also where I buy my hair color. So I bought the Redken Extreme Anti-Snap Anti-Breakage Leave-In Treatment. So this was $21.95. This was $19.50. I didn't get the conditioner from this line because I prefer to use a mask. So I have been using the Affinity treatment, which I did a whole video on, and I really like it. But this is quite a time-consuming treatment. You can't really do that every single week. But first of all, protein treatment you're not supposed to do every week. But if your hair is damaged, you can do one until your hair feels better. Now, my hair, I was doing the Affinity treatment like every week for, I think I did it 3 times. But you know, it takes a while to do, like it's kind of messy, you know, you don't want to do that every week. And so I wanted to buy this because I heard some really great things. Basically, it's for hair that feels super stretchy. Now, my hair doesn't feel super stretchy anymore, but I still wanted to use this, and then I'll continue to use my Affinity treatment every like 6 weeks. So yeah, this is just if your hair needs protein. Lots of people really like this product, so I'm excited to see how it works. I've used it, I think, 3 times so far, and so far I like it. It doesn't make my hair, like there's no residue really in my hair. I just put this on after my shower. So yeah, so far I'm really liking these 2 products, and I will definitely update you on this. Now I also have the shampoo from the same line, which I was using, I liked, but I just needed something more moisturizing, and so that's why I bought this one. But this smells really good, so when my hair is feeling better, I will definitely use this because it's also made to keep your color more vivid longer. And when they say vivid, not just for like vivid colors, but just colors in general. So I think that is it for this video. Is that it? Let me know what you think about this hair. Now, I do like it. I think it's cute, but I just feel like I kind of miss my dark hair. So definitely look forward to another hair transformation. Now, I don't want to put any more color on my hair for now, and so I'm gonna have to fake going a little darker with hair extensions. So we will see how this works. Yeah, I want to get tip-ins, and so hopefully in the next month or so I will do that, and of course I will film everything. But yeah, that is this video. I know the actual setup and everything was not ideal, but I hope you still enjoyed that video because I just like to show you what I do with my hair. You know, I found like a passion for hair in the last year and like hair products and stuff, and so I like to share with you what I do. So if you want to check out any of these products, the hair clip, oh yeah, it's here, the hair clip, the dress, everything will be listed down below if you're interested. Also, all my other hair related videos will be down below. Now, I made a bunch this year, okay? And so yeah, thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you very soon in a new one. Bye!